Hi everyone, live from the Data Innovation Summit Day 2, 10th edition here in Stockholm. I am here with Jawad Saleemi, who is Director AI Cloud at Telenor, and is one of our speakers here at the summit on Day 2. So Jawad, welcome. It's our pleasure to have you here with us today.
Thank you very much, and it's a pleasure to be here as well.
Jawad has been with us before, and this is his second time presenting, so we are very happy to have him with us. So, can you tell us how does it feel to be presenting again on site in front of so many people who work in industries like yours and some other similar industries?
Yeah, no, I think it was great. I was here last year as well, and this is my second time, as you said. And it was a great experience. It's good to see how much kind of attraction there is, and how much lively the sessions are, and how much kind of resourceful and insightful they are. So it was like really good.
Thank you. We're very happy to hear that. And I have some questions for you regarding your session. So, one of the points that you talk about in your session is the AI First program from Telenor. And can you elaborate a little bit on this program and what is it about, as well as what is the message that you want to share with your presentation?
Yeah, absolutely. So we have been running this program now for a while now, and the ambitions are to really leverage AI, to give the best in the class customer experience or the best in the class network experience, so that we can leverage the power and harness the power that AI provides in our networks and in our systems, in our operations, to increase productivity, to increase effectivity, and to be able, to be at the forefront of technological advancement and what we do best, which is communication and connectivity.
Thank you for sharing that. My next question would be regarding what you just now mentioned. You also talked about next generation customer service as well as hyper personalization in your talk, which are very important things for Telenor. Especially. What is the impact of AI in this regard? How has AI helped achieve these things?
Yeah. So if you look at like how today's customer service is in most of the domains and industries, you call, and sometimes you have to call like within 9 to 5 because of the working hours, and sometimes you get put in the queue because all the lines and all the reps are busy, and we think that all this will be things of the past if we really leverage using AI, and if we can have AI agents integrated into our customer service so that we can provide customer service very personalized based on what you want and what you are looking after, anytime from anywhere. So connectivity all the time, and zero wait customer experience. That's how we envision customer service in the future.
Thank you for sharing that. The future is exciting with all the developments coming, and there are a lot of them. Also for the telecom industry. So let's see how that goes. My next question is regarding the AI factory, which is Norway's first AI sustainable AI infrastructure. So my question is, why was it important for Telenor to build such in-house, and also what are the advantages of this AI factory?
Yeah. So AI Factory is something that we are, extremely proud of, and it's a necessity and a requirement that we saw that we needed, internally in Telenor as well, because we have a lot of, data which is highly regulated, because we are part of the critical infrastructure when it comes to providing telecom infra and networking, and all this data has a lot of potential where we can leverage AI to improve our services, and we can't do that by using non-sovereign capabilities, and that's why it was extremely important that we have these capabilities in-house or in Norway, which are which abides by the local regulations and compliance requirements that we have, But then we also saw that this is not something, this is not just a problem for Telenor, right? Or a challenge for Telenor, but it's also a lot of our other customers or potential customers who have similar requirements, and then they can leverage the the services that we can provide. And we have been doing we have been working with data centers and infrastructure for decades. So who else could be in a better position than us to leverage these new capabilities that AI is providing, that we can use internally, but also sell externally as well.
Thank you for that answer, Jawad, as well. My next question would be regarding your perspective for the future and your thoughts on that when it comes to creating value. For organizations that leverage AI and data and they make all of these investments, they expect some sort of value, but not always they get the value that they expect. So, from your point of view and expertise, what would your advice be to companies, but also to individuals and teams to get the most out of both AI and data?
Yeah, yeah. I think it's an extremely important point, and I think that's where we know most part of the industry at the moment is struggling with, and that is how do you measure the return of investment on all the investment that you're doing on AI and AI transformations and data transformations, and we're seeing that most of the industry doesn't have the answer to that. And that's because we're just starting up, right? So this AI, the new AI wave with the generative AI, is just like 2 years old. So we're just starting up,
Yes.
and we see that even though there's a lot of potential, but it's still the whole field is a little bit more immature. It will get better and better, and we see that it's getting better and better. But I think that it's the right time to start learning and start experimenting. And one advice that I would like to give to those who are starting is to be smart with the AI use cases that they pick in the beginning to work with, and try to make sure that these AI use cases, they are directly related to your business strategies and directly related to your business opportunities, and so that they can create an impact. So it's not just a technology that's looking for a problem, but it's actually you start with a problem, you start with a business area, and then you work backwards and see if AI is the answer, and in some cases it might not be the answer, in some cases it might be. So,
Yes.
so try to have this balance and have this thinking in the back of your mind.
I'm sure that this advice, the attendees and those who are watching us, will find valuable. Thank you for sharing that, Jawad, and thank you for your time. And see you possibly next year.
Yeah, thank you very much. See you next year.